Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, month I suppose. Here we are again, a new BoxyCharm video. So if you guys want to see what I got on my, what is it, April BoxyCharm, just keep on watching. Okay, so I haven't opened it up, so we're going to open up together. You guys saw the 3 sneak peeks that everybody's gonna get, so let's see what extra ones I got. So, peace, love, and boxy. The theme right there. There's the theme, peach, peace, love, and boxy. And this is variation box number 2. I'll leave the weight and the dimensions down below in the description box. So it looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products. So let's dig in. Okay, first one I see that pops out is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, which I love these. I don't own any of their new packaging ones, and I do not own this one. I got Summer Haze. I love the box, the packaging. It's like black marble. Oh, I just ripped it. Hard to open. Oh, and then I'll have makeup. We're gonna apply all this with the makeup. We're gonna apply all this as we unbox them. So here it is. This is the new packaging of the Artist Couture Summer Haze. I'm so excited to try this one. And I love the way the sifter. So anyways, the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powders retail for $27. This is pretty big. This is a size 0.16 ounce. So here you go. And the next thing is the Butter London Power Up Mascara. We've gotten some Butter London products here, which I think it was the eyeliners last time. It's pretty thick. And here is the wand right there. If it want to focus. Come on, focus. There's the wand. That one retails for $20. And the next are the beautiful Luxie Beauty brushes. This is the Summer Days brush set. So it comes packaged like that. And then let's open up these beauties. So we get, let me open it up first. So we get 3 full-size brushes, and it has like ombre. It has a pink and like a deep orange. So pretty. So we get a small contouring brush, large shader brush, and a small shader brush. So we get those 3. And these retail for $28. Next is this Starlux eye pencil, cosmic eye pencil. This one, it retails for $19. I have never tried anything from this brand. So it's Starlux Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. Okay, so it's like one of those pencils that go up. It's like a purplish, glittery shade. It's really light. Oh, I already broke it. Okay. Well, I was trying to. I guess I went too hard, but I don't like this one. It doesn't, hardly anything applies on my freaking hand. So that's the swatch right there. I guess it's really, really light. I'm not a big fan of that one. And then last is this Pure Festival palette, which is pretty big. I thought it was gonna be smaller. So here's the packaging right here. Really Festival Coachella ready. Huh. And it comes with an eyeshadow primer. Pretty cool. So here's a packaging, the same thing as the box. And then let's open it up. Ta-da! So here it is. It has a big old mirror, and then those shades. Ooh, so pretty. Look at those shimmers. Or the glitters, actually, I should say. So it has 2 glitters, and it has 4 shimmers. Actually, 5, no, 6 shimmers. And then 4 mattes. So let's see what look I can create using this. So those are all the goodies. The BoxyCharm. Now let me do my face and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Full face, foundation, powder, eyebrows done. Eyebrows are not perfect. Oh wow. Okay, next I'm gonna be using the small contouring Luxie 512 just to add a little bronzer, and then I'm gonna use my Cover FX that we got in the BoxyLux. I'm gonna use a contour shade just to test out this brush. I just like to put it right here. I mean, I'm not a pro. I just apply it right there and then try to blend it. Okay, now for blush, I'm just gonna put blush with a regular brush. This is my Sigma favorite F40 angle brush. Just add some colors to the cheek. Now onto my eyes. I think I'm gonna do the highlighter last, just to do that bling, because I know how these are and they are super good. Okay, so now for the Pure Festival eyeshadow palette. I am gonna go in, I think I'm gonna do just a festival look, like festival. So I think I'm gonna use the purple and pink and the glitters. Okay, I think we're just gonna do a fun festival look. And we're gonna use some of the Luxie brushes. Some of them, because they're not gonna be working good. So we're gonna be using some of these. And let me use my fun BH Cosmetics, the neon one. Yeah, how pretty. Anyways, I'm gonna use these to for transitions and all that, because there's only shader brushes on the Luxie one. And then I'm just gonna do, I think I'm gonna do pink and then purple and then glitter on the lid. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna go in Wild Child, which is this pink one right here. Let's see how it blends. And I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics 10. Ooh, really pigmented on the brush. Let's see. I've tried Pure Cosmetics eyeshadows, but I've never tried like bright colors like this. So far it's blending up nice. Really fades. So you can hopefully build it up, which we're gonna try. I'm supposed to use the eye primer. Get a grip. Oops. Well, I always prime my eyes with my concealer anyways. So there's that pink. It's blending out nicely. No harsh lines. Pretty good. Pretty bright, man. It's awesome. Okay, so that's our pink. Whoa. Really bright. Okay, so next I'm going to do the under eye with the purple, which is Gypsy. Gypsy. Takes a little longer to blend, to build up this one because it's like a shimmer. Ooh, pretty pigmented. I just had to keep applying like over and over, so probably because it's a shimmer and I didn't use any concealer or setting spray to apply it because it's under my eyes. Didn't want to do that. Next, I'm going to use one of these glitters, which is 24 Magic. Whoa. And Fireworks. Oh. Which one should I use? Fireworks, 24 magic, or both? Now those I need to use glitter. I should use a glitter glue. Let's do gold. Because I already have color. So we're gonna do gold. So here is the glitter. It was a little difficult with the glitter. It's a little messy. It transfers. So yeah. And you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna lick it. I don't know if you can see the dent already on my palette. I'm used to shimmers, not super duper glitter like this, but it looks pretty. Let me add some pink on the outer a little bit. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. Then I mess with the Tiffany. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Look at how pretty Grande Cosmetics sent me these. I'll blend up eyelash curlers. Curl my lashes. Let's try this Butter London Mascara. And don't come at me if I have a harsh line. I tried. Alright, so let's try this Butter London Mascara. Ooh. Look at those lashes. Wow, is this supposed to be volumizing one? This is Power Up. We'll read about it right now and ignore the bouncing balls. My kids are playing basketball outside. And my dog's going crazy with the balls. Okay, so that's one coat of the mascara. I think it looks pretty good. It does give it volume, and the black helps stand out more. Okay, so this mascara is supposed to experience length, definition, and curl. Okay, so it is doing all that. I wonder if it gets clumpy. We'll find out. Alright, Butter London. Alright. I see you. I am liking it. Alright, so far. Ooh, I love this one. Look at my lashes. Okay, but it's really good volume, definition. Okay. Need some H2O. I got glitter all over the face, but it's alright. So next I'm gonna go show you guys how these Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powders work. Oh my god, you're gonna be obsessed. So this is the shade Summer Haze, and there's gonna be two different ones. It comes like this. Of course, I took off the plastic. There it is right there. Really pretty, really pretty. And now I put a little bit on the lid. A little bit goes a long, whoa, a little bit goes a long way, that's too much. Ready? Hello, highlight. Really soft glow. Yay! The nose. Can't forget the tip of the nose. We're just gonna glow everywhere. Oh, look at that, how pretty. And then I'm gonna add some under my eyebrow right here. with this larger shader brush that we got in the box. Just gonna add some right here. Festive looks supposed to be festive, right? And then we just blend it out with the same brush with no extra product. Just blend that out. These diamond glow powders are actually gonna last you forever. Trust me. I have the mini ones and I still have them. It's been already over a year. You can also put some setting spray and then watch. I'm getting too excited with this glow. This is my favorite so far, the Collab Grand Finale 3-in-1 Hydration Spray. It's not too like wet, so it gives it a nice refresher and hydration. And if you want to add more setting, more highlight, it helps intense it. And bam, I'm ready to go party with the festivals. And then I'm gonna be since we didn't get lipsticks, well, I didn't get lipsticks on this, I'm gonna use a glitter lipstick. I'm gonna go in with this one. This is a Glitter Magic Shimmery Shifting Lip Color from LA Girl. Champagne Fizz glitter. We got that glitter. So we're gonna let that dry, and then when you put your lips together, it comes out really glitter. Not really intense, but glittery. Okay, so here's a completed look using the goodies. Actually, except for this one, I don't really care for this one. So using 4 out of 5 goodies I got on my April BoxyCharm. Let me know what you guys think of the look I created. Got a little messy with the glitters, but so far I like the way it turned out. So I'm happy with these products. 4 out of 5. I didn't really care for this one because it didn't really swatch good and it broke right away. So these, that's total everything. Remember, it's $21 a month. You get it monthly, you get it full-size products. This month was 5 size products. So this month's total is 36. Pure Cosmetic, the Pure Festival palette is $36. The brushes, $28. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder is $27. Butter London Mascara, $20. And the Starlux Eyeliner. So that's $130 total, which you can only pay $21. And every 3 months, they upgrade you with a fee. You get over $200, $300 worth of products. So that completes this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.